Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, 6 car rental secrets, Hertz. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're looking for the 6 best rental secrets here if you're using Hertz, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the first major secret is that the seemingly friendly agents at the counter are heavily incentivized by commission to upsell you on incredibly pricey add-ons. Now, a prime example is for example, is traveling with kids. Now, renting a toddler car seat at the counter can easily run you around $125 per trip. Now, you can completely bypass this trap by bringing your own seat from home and checking it at the airport for free, or even buying a highly rated one online for under $90 and shipping it straight to your destination. So, second is booking your ride directly through the rental company's website, which is almost always a guarantee that you are overpaying. Now, instead of locking yourself into rental rates, you should use an aggregator here, like the Auto Slash, to automatically search for hidden coupon combinations. Even better here, so these platforms continuously track price drops long after your reserve after you reserve your car, not hitting you with an alert the exact second a rate plunges, so you can easily cancel and rebook at a lower price. And also, renting a vehicle directly inside the airport terminal tax on a hidden concession fee that instantly inflates your bill by $30 to $50. So if your travel schedule allows for it, you can easily dodge this airport tax by looking for an off-site option. Simply hop into a free or 5-minute shuttle bus to a rental lot located just outside the airport grounds, can drastically drop your daily rate with a little extra effort here. And fourth, those impossibly cheap rates from no-name budget rental brands exist for a very specific, frustrating reason. These companies deliberately oversell the inventory to dominate search engines, which frequently leaves you trapped in a grueling 2-hour line with only one staff member working the desk. Now, also tend to use high pressure tactics here, like forcing you to stand at the counter and call your own insurance provider to prove you have coverage before they'll hand over the keys. And fifth is, while rental companies will aggressively push their own $25 a day insurance, relying entirely on your personal auto policy can backfire, because if you get into a wreck, you have to pay your own deductible and your monthly premiums will spike. Now, the smart workaround is to decline the, let's just say, the counter coverage and purchase an independent third-party policy through your booking portal for around $11 a day. Now, this creates an isolated safety shield, meaning any damage is covered with zero deductibles and your personal insurance rate stays entirely untouched. And finally, unlike airlines or hotels, when elite status carries massive weight, car rental loyalty rarely pays off. So, meaning your best strategy is simply booking whichever major brand is cheapest on that specific day. Now, once you have the car, you can protect your savings on the back end by declining their prepaid fuel packages and filling the tank yourself a mile away from the lot. Just make sure to throw away any garbage before turning it in. So, as agencies are increasingly using a single empty water bottle or any stray snack crumbs to hit unsuspected travelers with predatory $150 or $300 cleaning fees. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.